In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smooth skin in Lightroom Classic. If you've ever wanted to achieve that polished, flawless look reminiscent of professional portraits, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps to enhance skin tones and textures naturally and seamlessly using Lightroom Classic. First, go ahead and open Lightroom Classic. From the Library module, navigate to the image of the portrait you have in mind. Once you have the photo selected, switch over to the Develop module. This is the playground for all your editing magic, especially for nuanced adjustments like skin smoothing. Now, the key to isolating the skin is using the masking tool. You'll find this located amongst the editing tools, represented by a dotted circle icon. By clicking this, you enable a feature that lets you create specific adjustments to selected areas of your photo. In recent versions of Lightroom Classic, there's this convenient tool called Select Subject, which can do wonders for targeting the skin areas automatically. Alternatively, if your version has it, you might see options like Face Skin or Body Skin. Leveraging these can save heaps of time as they automatically pinpoint the skin areas for masking. Once the mask is in place, it's time to refine it. You might notice that some parts of the mask cover areas that shouldn't be smoothed, like the eyes, lips, hair, and eyebrows. To fine-tune the mask, you'll want to subtract these areas. Simply click on Subtract and choose Brush. With the brush tool active, gently paint over these areas to exclude them from the mask. Precision here will ensure that your subject's defining features remain sharp and detailed. Now that you've perfectly isolated the skin, let's adjust the smoothing sliders. Start with the texture slider. By reducing this, typically somewhere between -30 to -50, you're essentially softening fine details like pores, giving them a more subtle appearance. Next, adjust the clarity. Bringing this down, maybe around -10 to -30, will reduce the mid-tone contrast, lending a softer, smoother appearance to the skin. There's also the sharpness slider. If after these adjustments, the skin still appears overly sharp, you can nudge this down slightly, perhaps between -10 to -20, for a more blended look. In case there are noticeable blemishes that persist even after these adjustments, the spot removal tool, accessible with the shortcut Q, is your go-to. Set its mode to Heal for best results. Carefully choose a brush size that suits the blemish size and simply click over them. Lightroom will smartly replace those spots with similar textures from nearby areas. It's best to zoom in to 100% when using this tool, as this will provide the precision you need for impeccable results. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can achieve beautifully smooth skin in Lightroom Classic, ensuring your portrait retains its natural charm while standing up to professional standards. Happy editing!